Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make salmon piccata. Salmon piccata has become one of our favorite salmon recipes. The salmon is pan-seared and served with the most flavorful, tangy lemon butter sauce. If you're a fan of chicken piccata, then you may love this version even more. So let's get started. I have about 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, and I divided it into 4 portions, and I'm going to season it on both sides with salt and pepper. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. Chicken piccata was one of the first recipes I've ever done, and now this salmon version is amazing, especially for people who love salmon. Heat a little bit of oil in a pan over medium-high heat and sear the salmon. I'm going to let this cook for about 4 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over to sear the other side. Once the salmon pieces are all flipped over, I'm going to continue to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the salmon is completely cooked through. Remove the salmon and set aside. Now I'm going to add to the pan 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and just let that melt. Then I'm going to add 3 minced garlic cloves. And I'm just going to saute it for about 30 seconds or so because we don't want the garlic to burn. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of drained capers. You guys, this sauce is so delicious. And once we add the butter in, it's the best. And I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. I don't know why it took me this long to make this salmon version of piccata, but I do know that this has become one of my favorite salmon recipes. We're going to bring the sauce to a boil and then let it cook over medium heat until the sauce has slightly reduced. And now I'm going to return the salmon fillets back to the pan. And we're about almost done. Seriously, this is another quick and easy meal, but also fancy enough to serve to company. Now we're going to add my favorite part, which is the butter. I have about 3 tablespoons of it, and I'm just going to cook it until it's completely melted. And I'm going to spoon some of the sauce over the salmon. It's tangy, savory, buttery, garlicky, just hits all the spots. Look how gorgeous this looks. It's time to serve it up. Typically, I like to serve it with some rice and maybe some asparagus, but you could also serve it with noodles or some mashed potatoes. That would really go great with it. And I have the perfect bite right here. Nice and flaky. You guys won't regret this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that I can continue sharing simple and delicious recipes with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.